Hello friends, I have multiple YouTube channels. I have this YouTube channel that is making me at least $500 up to $1,000 a month, and I have this another YouTube channel that makes me at least $100 up to $200, which is not good. But I think maybe over time it will get better and I'll start making up to $1,000 because that's my goal. I've been on YouTube for a really long time. I've had multiple YouTube channels and they were doing very amazing. And most of these YouTube channels that I have, I never showed my face, but they are making good amount numbers, and I'm so happy about that. But I just come to notice that there are a lot of changes right now, especially in YouTube monetization. And if you really want to create a YouTube channel right now, you need to understand these changes, and maybe it's really going to help you. I remember in 2021, I created this new YouTube channel, and it was faceless YouTube channel, and it got monetized within 2 weeks. It was very easy for me to monetize that channel. I was posting about entertainment and all that, and I was getting a reasonable amount of views, and I was making a reasonable amount of money on that YouTube channel. But I just want to be really honest with you. I created this another YouTube channel last year, and I decided to change a little bit. I wanted to show my face on that YouTube channel, and I come to realize that if you show your face on your YouTube channel, sometimes it can be really hard to get monetization. It's not that you cannot get monetization, no, but I think it's gonna take some time for you to get monetized. So I started this YouTube channel last year in June, and as you can see here, I was posting every single day on this YouTube channel. But up to now, which we're talking right now, is we are in 2026, and this YouTube channel has only 14 subscribers. So I'm not saying this because I don't want people to go ahead and create a YouTube channel. I just want to say that it's really hard nowadays to be monetized. It's really hard comparing to old days. It was very easy to be monetized. It was very easy to start making a reasonable amount of money on YouTube. But now I think there are a lot of things that have changed, so it makes so hard for a person to get monetized and start making money. I think the reason is that there are a lot of people who are joining on YouTube right now, and there are high competition, so you gotta be very, very good for you to be noticed and for you to be monetized. And it's gonna take some time. It's gonna take 6 months. It's gonna take a year. It's gonna take 2 years for you to be monetized on YouTube for now. But back in the days, it was very, very easy to be monetized, and I am saying this because I had multiple YouTube channels. But now I came to find it very difficult for me to be monetized. So these are the truth about monetization in 2026. You have to understand that you can be paid on YouTube, but you don't have to depend so much on ad revenue, because in order for you to be paid through ad revenue, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which is going to take very, very long time. But you can get paid through sponsorship. Let's say that you have this very trusted brand and you're posting very trusted content and all that, and these brands are interested in you, so they're coming to you, or you're asking them to be their brand ambassador, and they can pay you through that. But also you can get paid through affiliate links, and you can get paid through donations. This is how you can start making money on YouTube without depending on ad revenue. So you really don't have to depend on ad revenue, because sometimes it can take a very long time for you to reach at least 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours. So I think you need to rely on sponsorship, you need to rely on affiliate links, and also you need to rely on this support that you get from these fans. And in order for you to get a sponsorship, affiliate link, and donation, in order for all of this to work out, you need to at least show your face on that YouTube channel so that people can really trust you and start, to donate money for you, or to buy through your affiliate links and to trust you. So the other thing, you need consistency. Right now, every minute, every second, people are uploading videos on their YouTube channels, and every minute, other people are creating YouTube channels. So there is this high competition on YouTube. So I think it's way better for you to know that you need to be consistent. You need to keep posting like every single day. You need to upload regularly, and you need to engage your audience. You need to reply these comments. You need to be very, very friendly to your audience. But also, you need to avoid shortcuts. You need to be very, very honest on your posts, on your videos that you post on YouTube, and you need to avoid these click bites, other things. It can lead your channel to be banned or removed from YouTube community. So you really gotta be very careful about that. You need to avoid shortcut. You need to be transparent. You need to be very honest. And after that, maybe you can have successful YouTube channels. So this is the truth about YouTube monetization, especially in this year 2026. If you really want to create a YouTube channel, maybe you need to understand that it's going to take a very, very uh, you need to give all the efforts, and you need to be very active on YouTube so that you can be successful. Thanks so much. I just wanted to make this video, and I just wanted to tell you like the changes that YouTube has right now, because it's way different from the last 2 years or last 3 years. It was very easy and it was very simple on YouTube, but for now I think it's more complicated for a person to be monetized on YouTube. So thanks so much, and I really hope that this video is really gonna help you. And if you think is good, you can just go ahead and share this video to your friends and anyone that you know, and anyone that you think can be happy to see this video. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you next time.